In the icy Cloudcrest Mountains lived a swift snow leopard named Luna. She was graceful, brave, and loved racing through snowy slopes. Every day, she practiced leaping between frosty rocks and sprinting across ridges. One morning, while exploring, Luna heard a distant rumbling sound. Snow began sliding down a high cliff. "An avalanche!" she gasped. She dashed upward, hoping no animal was in danger. Near a narrow ridge, she found a group of young mountain goats trapped. They were between falling snow and a steep drop. "Follow me! Stay close!" Luna shouted. But the smallest goat couldn't move. His leg was stuck. It was under a branch buried in snow. Luna didn't waste a second. She clawed through the snow, lifted the branch with her powerful shoulders, and freed the goat. The avalanche roared closer. "This way!" she yelled, guiding the goats toward a rocky cave. Snow crashed behind them just as they jumped inside. Everyone panted in fear and relief. "You saved us," the little goat whispered. "You're our mountain guardian," said another. Luna smiled softly. She realized that true strength is not in running fastest, but in protecting those who cannot run at all.